Had to track it down. That's pretty cool looking.
Hi everyone, Donut here. If you want to see some police stuff, we're going to be doing a live Leo recap over at twitch.tv/donutoperator as soon as this video is released. In the meantime, please stick around and watch my little vlog here for the unboxing of my new Xidax computer. My other computer was starting to crap the bed. I needed something new to edit all these videos on. Xidax hit me up and said, "What do you want?" I said, "Hell, I want a police car." And by God, they made me a police car computer. Black and white on the outside, red and blue flashing lights on the inside, packed with power. Just like the best police car in the history of police cars, the Crown Vic. Don't at me. This is actually the first time I've trusted someone else to build a computer for me. I've built every single computer I've owned since I was 15 years old. If you're interested in your own Xidax computer, they're having a Valentine's sale right now. I would suggest checking that out. You can do that by going over to xidax.com/donutoperator. Please enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, Donut here. I'm on my way to pick up my computer. UPS called and they're like, "Hey, we want to schedule delivery for tomorrow." I said, "No, we're gonna get it today." So that's what we're doing right now. My Xidax computer that they custom built for me. I couldn't wait any longer. I got to go get it. I got to go get my awesome computer. Had to track it down at the UPS place, and it needs to be brought out with a forklift. How big is this computer? I don't know how big this damn computer is, but I wasn't expecting them to come out with a crate and a forklift. Also, congratulations to the man driving the forklift. He says he's been working for UPS for 31 years. That's how he expertly put it in the truck. And he is going to retire in 4 months. So congratulations, sir. Hey, look, it's Charlotte. If you've never been to Charlotte, it's a great place to visit. That's all I have to say about that. Well, this is the first time I've needed a crowbar to open an electronics box. Oh, okay. So I climbed up here on the truck, and there's a note here that says remove red screws from top and sides. I guess we're gonna need to get the drill now. What? Damn, thanks for packing that in there so good, guys.
Your camera's about to die.
No! Is it flashing?
Yeah. Hurry. Go, go, go. Speed run. Go, go, go. Run, run, run. Oh my God, don't fall. Puppy. Dude, do your homework.
It's here. It's here. That's Jones, and then that's my brand new Xidax computer. Oh.
Butcher.
Oh, look at that.
Butcher.
Would you look at it? Check it out. Donut operator etched right there. That's pretty cool looking. Oh no, Butcher!
I didn't even touch him.
Why are you hurting the dog?
I didn't touch him. Oh, Jones has to come in to eat the cardboard.
Man. Yeah, Jones heard plastic, so he's coming in here to eat it. Yeah. Do I have this upside down right now? Yeah, I do. It's upside down. What am I doing? That's the front of it.
Oh.
Look at that. That's why it looks so funny.
No.
Yeah. So check that out. I knew it looked funny. Donut operator on the graphics card. That's cool. All right, I'm assuming this is it. First time booting it up. Oh, I bet the switch on the back is flipped off. Remember, there's a switch back here many a times. I freaking went to boot up a computer and was freaked out, and that's the reason. All right, we got the LEDs on back there, which wait, it's this one. I have a control for the LEDs. I wonder if it works when it's off. Okay, not yet. Here we go. Woo! First boot up. Check that out, man. Oh, that is quiet. Oh. What happened? Oh. My heart dropped a little bit there. Oh my God, my monitor is so dirty. Welcome, owner.
If you guys want to know exactly what was inside of the computer, you can see that in the description below. Xidax, once again, thank you so much for sponsoring me. Check out xidax.com/donutoperator, and as always, have a fantastic day.
Straight whacker.